Good afternoon, everybody. Wolf here again. Another trailer project. The last video I said I was going to work on bringing the air compressor up and dusting the trailer out, but I changed my mind on that. Right now I think the more important project is to remove that trailer jack. The old frame there. So I'm going to see if I can get that off today. So this is what I'm up against here. You can see this old rusty piece was all welded on, so I got to cut this off somehow. Good luck. And this was the even harder one to cut off here because it's been welded here and down in the bottom. So I'm hoping that once I cut this side off and I use the angle grinder to cut this piece, that section right there will just break free because it's so poorly welded. This should be interesting. You people on YouTube, you're lucky. You get to see the edited version of this. You're not going to see all the time it took me to sit here cutting. This is a long, slow process here. I was just informed by my uncle that his furnace is dead again. This has been an ongoing problem, so looks like I'm going to have some company up here while I'm trying to get my work done, so that should make things interesting. But we're almost through this cut here. I'm going to get back at it again. Try to get this done before people start showing up. Oh. God, it's taking forever. Alright, I'm going to have to stop recording for a bit here to save battery power. Oh. Alright. We got that part removed completely. Still have to get the angle grinder down here and smooth that out a bit. Definitely going to have to take this piece off, because that's just going to get in the way of the new trailer jack we'll be installing. It should be good to go here, so bring us to the end of this part of the adventure. Next, I do have to do the angle grinding of these things. Make sure we get the last of the loose rust off, and then it's time for the air compressor. Tonight we're going to be working on grinding off some of that excess welding residue. And I also brought up the air compressor, so we're going to blow down all the openings and everything else to try to get the rest of the loose rust pieces and things like that off of it. So this will be the first part I'll be working on right here. I had cut that bar that was here off. This is where it was welded. And the bits down here aren't an issue. The bits over here aren't an issue, but this part might be a problem because I want to put a new trailer jack in right here, and it's going to have the flat plate on it. That's going to be sitting on top of this, and that could cause some problems if it runs into that. So we got to grind that down. So that's the first task. Then there's all these U channels, or C channels actually, that still have loose stuff in them. So I'm going to try to blow that out with the compressor, best I can anyway. There isn't a whole lot I can do about those areas. They're hard to get into. I'm not even going to be able to paint them properly. I'll just coat them with a coat of spray paint and hope for the best. No, this trailer is not going to last forever. It's going to rust out on me at some point, but it'll get me quite a few years of service, and that's what I needed to do. And then we'll probably be ready for an upgrade. Alright, this falls under the category of something I've never done before, so I'm not sure how this is going to play out here. And sorry about the low light. It's the best I've got here at the moment. But hopefully I can brighten it up in post-processing so you can actually see what I'm doing here. Anyway, should we make some sparks? Not sure what's going to happen. We'll find out. getting shinier at least. But it's taken a while to get knocked down. Keep working at it though. Little increments at a time. This machine is loud. I'm in an enclosed space. I really need to start carrying earplugs around with me. I'm going to call this good enough. It's not totally flat down with the metal, but it's close enough. I'm already starting to hit the bolt holes and things like that with the grinder nail. The trailer jack will sit nice and flat here, shouldn't be a problem. So I'm going to call this part of the job done. Now the next noisy part, air compressor. You can see I decided to put a dust mask on because I'm going to be kicking up a lot of dust here, so I'm going to do that. Unfortunately though, it's fogging up the safety glasses, but I can't take those off either. So. I have that one weld spot ground down, and I've cleared all the loose rust off the trailer with the compressor. I think we're going to call it quits now. Yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock. It's time to go home. So, thanks for watching, everybody. If anybody has any questions, comments, or anything else, I'd love to hear that in the comments section below. If you've been enjoying the video so far, please subscribe. Give me a like. Anything, just let me know. I'd love to get some feedback on these videos. So, again, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so that completes this